Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to disabling a comment features on your Instagram account. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Instagram application, and after that from the home sections that mostly you will be appear when you open the Instagram, you just need to go into the profile section. And after that, you just need to choose what post that you want to disabling the comments in. So after you find the post or the content, you just need to go by click these three small buttons, these three small dots on the content. And after that, you just need to go read all of the features that provided by Instagram here. There will be a archive, hide like account, turn off commenting, edit, pin your profile, and post to other apps. Since you want to disabling the comment section, you just need to click a turn off commenting, and the comments button will be disappear from your content or from your post. That's all the way how to disabling the comment section. So after you disabling the comment, no one can comment over your post. That's all the way. That's tutorials today. So if you find that this tutorial is quite useful and guide you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.